So welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Godlina. If today is the first time here, and on this channel we do reviews. If you are interested in cooking channel, I highly recommend one of the best cooking channel on YouTube, Exhibiting Mommy's Recipe. I'll be leaving the link to the channel in the description box. Kindly check it out and you are going to love it. Thank you once again and welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking this video. So now let's get straight to the video. I got the hair $21.99. Okay, this is how it looks. It came with the hair net, and also I got this beautiful band. I like it. Oh my god. I just love it. Okay, so this is the hair. This is how the hair looks, and yeah, let me just go ahead and brush it. You see how smooth, and it is very smooth and very easy to comb. Yeah, very easy to comb. So this is how the inside looks, and if you are old here, you know I always use the band, but I don't like the comb. Okay, yeah, so we are going to install the hair. Just throw it up like this. You can wear your hairnet before. You can just put it on without the band, or you can also use the band. Okay, but most of the times I even install it such a way that I insert the band. Okay, so that you sometimes you may not be able to know it is a headband unless you get very close to me before you can identify whether it is headband or not. Okay. Yeah, just style it like this. Wait, I look beautiful because the hair is beautiful. It doesn't actually look like a headband if you style it like this, unless the person gets very close to you. So the hair is 22 inch and it is $21.99. It is very, very affordable for everyone to afford. Okay, yes, I saw the band, I didn't like it. That is why from the beginning of the video I didn't use the band, but I style it like that. But you can trust me, when I put on the band, it actually looks very, very good, and I love it. Okay, yeah, I love it. So you can style it this way as well, and you are going to love it. You can see, very beautiful. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I actually love it. So you can look this way as well, and I think this one is very simple and beautiful. Okay, so you can see this is wet buying. Okay, what are you waiting for? Please, I highly recommend this for you to make a purchase. I'll be leaving all the information in the description. So as I said earlier, I got it $21.99, and also the length is 22 inch, and the brand name will be in the description box as well. That's music. Thanks once again for tuning in, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and also do not forget to subscribe for more videos. I'm going to bring you more videos to watch. Please kindly subscribe if you've not done it, and do not forget to check my cooking channel as well. Thanks once again, and I will leave you here. My name is Godlina. See you in the next video. Bye.